students of 9th standard is here to present a small program associated with the Space Week. Here we are going to present a small skit. In this skit we can see some students and a teacher who has split the classroom into 3 groups and also gave them some assignments to complete. So let's peek into class 9A and see whether the students have completed their work or not.
Good morning students. In connection with the Space Week, I have assigned some work to you. I hope it is completed. So let us start with the first group. Let us start. Anjana.
Ma'am, our topic was missions of ISRO and I am going to talk about Chandrayaan 2. It was a mission for lunar exploration. The lunar orbiter had a lander named Vikram and the lunar rover named Kraken. It was launched on 2019 July 22 and reached the moon orbits on August 20, 2019. But the mission failed in the software glitch. ISRO will be trying again in 2022 with their new lunar orbiter, the Chandrayaan 3.
Well done, Anjana. Who is next?
Ma'am, I will say next. I am going to talk about Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan was one of the best works of ISRO and it was a huge success. It is a space robe orbiting the Mars since 24 September 2014. The success of this mission made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit.
Ma'am, I am going to talk about Aryabhatta, the first spacecraft India designed. It was named after the famous astronomer Aryabhatta. It was launched on 18th April 1975 from Kasputin Yar, Russia.
Well done, Group 1. Good presentation. Let us continue with the second group. Which topic did I give?
Ma'am, our topic is Journey to the Mars and I am the first from my group. I'll be explaining about the Viking land. The Viking land was the first successful mission that was landed on the surface of the red planet. It was landed on July 20, 1976. It was made in United States.
I'm going to speak about Mars 96. It's a space rock launched by Russians in 16 November 1996. It was a failed mission. The Mars 96 was one of the most heaviest space rock during the 1990s.
Teacher, I will explain about the most successful Mars mission. It was planned by the space agency. The name of the spacecraft was Mars Express. It was launched on 2nd July 2003.
Good job, Group 2. Let us move to the last group. Let us start with Aithan.
Ma'am, our topic is about the fact related to space. We can fit 1 million Earth inside the Sun.
Ma'am, I will share an interesting fact with you all. As the Earth rotates more slowly around the Sun from year to year, 2016 was 1 second longer than 2015.
I will share the fact related to black hole. The black hole in our galaxy has a mass equal to 4 billion of our Sun.
My fact is about astronauts. When astronauts are in space, they become 2 inches taller.
Well done, children. You all did a great job and you all have exceeded my expectations. Very good, children.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, children. And don't forget the information that we have discussed.
As we all saw, the students had done their work beautifully and the teacher was also impressed. And I also think that all the viewers got so much information about the space. So everyone try to find out more about space, one of the vast topics that won't have any limit in this Space Week. Next, we have an album prepared by Swiss Flower. Let's have a look.
Space
is the boundless three-dimensional extent in which objects and events have relatively position and direction. In astronomy, space is the vast three-dimensional region that begins where the Earth's atmosphere ends. It is sometimes called 3D space because it contains three distinct dimensions. World Space Week is observed from 4th October to 10th October. The theme of World Space Week 2021 is Women in Space. Yuri Gagarin was the first person to journey into outer space, achieving a major milestone in the space race. His capsule Vostok 1 completed one orbit of Earth on 12 April 1961. Virgil Van Grissom was selected by National Aeronautics and Space Administration as Project Mercury astronaut to be the first American in outer space. He was an Apollo program astronaut. Valentina Tereshkova was the first and youngest woman to have flown in space with a solo mission on the Vostok 6 on 16 June 1963. Alan Shepard was an American astronaut, and in 1961 he became the second man and the first American to travel into space, and in 1971 he walked on the moon.
I hope all of you enjoyed the album. Thank you everyone. Collect more information about the space. Once again, thank you and have a wonderful day.